can we convert a church into a business? And can church be a business?
Actually, a church must be a business. A church must also be an army. And the church must be everything. When the missionaries came here, they did not come alone in the Bible. They came with an army. And they came with a bank. They came with a system that they implemented. For us to be able to complain colonialism in all its phases, from an academic colonialism, political colonization, pharmaceutical colonization, fashion colonization, religious colonization, and all these things. Find that the church is right at the center of it. A church is actually an initiating center for colonialism. So by the time you're actually getting prepared to be fully colonized, part of coloniality is you must be a church. Take away your name. What's your name? Dumisani. No, that's not a Christian name. Let's find you a good Christian name. You're going to be Peter. That is Dumisani, not Christian. So you find that Christianity actually is a place where you get baptized into colonialism. So a colonial system needs a colonized to support it.